Hi everyone, mayong gabi, si Kuya Nico na sad ni. Guys, mag-share lang gamay si Kuya Nico for tonight's thought. Something nga ma-share, nga maka-reflect, hopefully maka-realize tag mga maayong, learning values somehow. One thing nga gusto i-share ni Kuya Nico today will be the Latin sentence saying ex corde ecclesiae. Ex corde ecclesia. Sa may meaning ani, it means that it comes from the heart of the church. Ang unsa man, ang education, universities, colleges, learning, mostly sciences. No, it comes from the very heart of the church. Secondly, hospitals, taking care of the sick, the dying, the ill, those who are in need of help, good health, physically, mentally, emotionally, most of all spiritually. So the problem that we can, see or reflect on our generation today is ang mga batanon ng mga tao are so busy with educational attainment, no? Ma-accomplish na to ni, makagraduate ta ni, makatuon ta ni. But let's not forget that education and healthcare are ex corde ecclesia. No, it comes from the heart of the Catholic Church. Therefore, the center of education and health should always be the teaching of Christ, the teaching of the church. No, if an education, if an healthcare failed to, spread the teachings, the message of the Lord, somehow I would say it defeats its purpose. No? So I strongly suggest and believe that the very heart center of education and healthcare should be the Lord, knowing that He is, the greatest teacher, both physical, mental, emotional, mostly spiritually, no? And also, He is the greatest healer of all. More than just physical healing, He heals the blind, the deaf, the mute, the crippled. What else? Those who have sickness physically, but most of all spiritually. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.